Hi, I'm Adam Rochafer, Commercial Tyvek Specialist for Monsma Marketing.
I'm Anthony Aldrink. I'm a residential specialist with Monsma Marketing.
And today we're going to teach you how to use FlexWrap EZ from DuPont. So FlexWrap EZ is a formable flashing tape. So it's flexible, you can work it around whatever you're flashing. And it's 2 3/4 inches wide. The 3/4 inch piece goes onto the penetration, and the other 2 inches goes onto the Tyvek. So many of you have worked with our sill pan flashing, the FlexWrap. DuPont recently came out with a similar product. It's essentially the same makeup, the butyl adhesive, same facer, but in a skinnier roll. So it's super easy to work around penetrations that are going through your building envelope. So when you're cutting your piece for flashing around wires that are penetrating your Tyvek, super easy. You just want to cut a 2-inch piece. So I'm going to go ahead and flash this, and you can see on the back here that it's a split release tape on the back. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take off this smaller piece, that 3/4 inch one. Now I still have this other piece of release tape on there, so I'm going to go ahead and peel that off, and then you can just fan it out and apply pressure and you're good to go. Now we're going to flash the electrical box penetration, and again, when you measure this, just do the distance around it plus about 2 inches. Now again, you can split that release tape on the back there, and again, just start peeling off that smaller piece of release tape. And then you want to start at about the 3 o'clock location on the penetration. That's how you flash the electrical penetrations. Round penetrations less than 3 inches in diameter. We're going to do a 2-piece installation. So the first piece that you're going to cut is going to be the bottom one, and that's just going to be half of the distance around. Now the second piece for this type of penetration is going to be just the entire length around the penetration. So first piece goes right on the bottom there. All right, then I'm going to pull off that second piece of release tape. We're ready for our second piece. Crack that release tape liner. Apply some pressure, and you're all sealed up.
So moving on to the copper pipe, since it's less than 3 inches, we're going to go ahead and use the 2-piece method. I'm going to split my small piece here, pull off that release liner, and I'm always going to start from the bottom so I can come over with the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and fan that out onto my wall. Now to seal it up, I'm going to come across again with that top piece and smooth it up.
So if penetration is greater than 3 inches in diameter, measure that out, add 1 or 2 inches, and pushing it tight against the wall. Just kind of work it around there. Usually when I'm right about there is when I pull that second piece of release tape.
So again, DuPont FlexWrap EZ is a great way to seal up your home from air and water leakage.
If you have any questions ever regarding Tyvek or DuPont flashing products, insulation, feel free to reach out to your local Tyvek specialist. We're located all across the country. We're a knowledgeable resource for anybody in the building industry, and we'd love to come to your job sites and help you out.
Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see DuPont FlexWrap EZ on your next project.